see. What's the details for the call?
Lifeguards just said it was at 4:15 between two white males. Lifeguard, one time, I know you said that the males were breaking apart. Do you still want PD to respond?
Affirmative with PD will also be requesting medics. There's a visible stab wound for one of the patients. There are weapons involved, at least one knife. The parties are breaking up. However, they're still in the parking lot next to our lifeguard station, 1950 Abbott.
At 10-4, it will be a stabbing, 1950 Abbott. 10-4, Lifeguard, can you go with the description of the suspect?
Our suspect is going to be a approximately 6-foot white male wearing a brown coat. He's currently in the showers, the public showers, just outside of our lifeguard station.
10-4, and is the victim awake and breathing?
That's affirmative. The victim is awake and breathing, wearing a maroon hat and a button-down t-shirt or pullover shirt with flames and skulls, actively showing his stab wounds to other transients in the park area.
615 Zebra. I'm showing up 97. Where's the next unit at?
Stab wound's going to be on his upper right shoulder area.
615 Zebra can be code from 1100 Rosecrans. Davidson Arm.
Turn into regional working at 45 stabbing at 1950 Abbott. 10-4, per lifeguards was last seen walking northbound past the lifeguard tower. Did they advise on time delay?
That was happening as I was just talking to him about 30 seconds ago.
10-4.
The individual that was stabbed, we were just notified that he was taken to the hospital via private transport from the parking lot at OB. And the alleged perpetrator is still at large, allegedly in Saratoga Park.
10-4, suspect possibly in Saratoga Park and the victim was taken to the hospital via private transport.
And lifeguard 1 Sam, to officers on scene at Saratoga, we have the person next to our showers again in front of the lifeguard station due to static.
Again, the suspect is again in the showers next to the lifeguard station.
So I haven't done anything illegal. So what you guys are doing is essentially a violation of my rights. Just so you know that.
Orange Avenue, Trojan Avenue, engine 10, 7 Echo.
Lean forward, step out of the shoe on your right side. I didn't say go sideways, I said lean forward.
Oh, I don't understand what you're saying. I just got hit in the head
Step out of your shoe.
and my cheek is swollen.
Yeah,
Look at that.
We're gonna bring you to the hospital and make sure you're okay.
Yeah, thanks.
Can you step out of your shoes for me, please? Thank you very much. The other one, please. There you go. Take your foot back.
What works better for you guys? I'm kind of in your custody, so I don't know like what. Could you help me put my shoes back on?
Use the below.
No, I can't.
Yeah, well, just get them on for now. We'll help you once we get into that.
13 David, do we have any info yet for our victim half if he showed up at in-house?
Yeah, no, I can't. I really
Nothing's coming that I see it. I'll check.
Thanks.
Yeah,
you guys are awesome. This many of you, like, at this point? Yeah, that's
This would
fucking
be a valid
awesome.
245. He's going to do our stuff.
Really? Really?
16 David, have we had anybody come up
That's-
to the hospital, or are we just waiting for a phone call?
613, we haven't had anyone go to the hospital, but they are mandated reporters, so they'll call in, and I sent a message around the room too, just to let me know if anything comes in for any other divisions.
Okay, number, thank you.
Yeah, $15. Does that sound about right? Yeah, so we'll just impound this to both property.
And media is 97.
Media 97, 6 cars.